So if you have a MacBook Pro and you want to know how to clean the fans of your computer, this video is for you. It's very easy. I'm going to show you what you need, how you do it, and also what will be the experience before and after I clean this computer. This one has 7 years and I never open. Let's see if in single score and multi-score in Geekbench if I have better results or not. So if you want to know everything about that, stay tuned after the intro. So even before I start doing the test, like you can see, the temperature of my machine is really high, above 90 degrees, because I'm using the phone connected to the computer so I can see myself. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a full test, a benchmark, so I can push even harder the computer to check if I can have even higher temperatures. The temperature is going above 100 degrees, so right now it's 103, 102, so it's really high. But I'm really curious to see the amount of dust that is inside after 7 years. I don't know if you can hear, but it's really loud. So the Geekbench have already finished, and the single score that I get was 2408 and the multi-score 5846. My god, how much dust will be inside this computer? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Do you think there is a lot of dust inside or not? Let me know in the comments below. So all the screws are gone. Whoa. I don't know if you can see, but there is a lot of dust. This is disgusting. And obviously this is affecting my machine. So that was just the bottom part, and if you see here, you see how much dust is inside this machine? It's crazy. The only thing that you need to clean this, in the way that I'm doing, I'm not going to disassemble anything. It's just you need a spray dust, and you are going to spray to take all this dust out. And that's it. I'm going to clean the bottom part, and let's hope that I have better results. So basically, after 5 minutes using the spray duster, I clean and I take majority of the dust. You will be able to see on the fans, you continue a bit of dust, nothing spectacular compared to the amount of dust that was inside. It was dust with 7 years. And I can tell you guys, I have already assembled everything. I don't hear the fans of my computer. It's incredible. It's a massive difference. For a long time that I don't hear like this. It's a massive difference. So in single score, the results that I get before, like I told you guys, was 2408. Now the score that I get was 3224. In multi-score, it's crazy. It was 5846, and now in multi-score I have 10,732. So I couldn't be more happy with the 7 pounds hack. So like I said, if you want to see me changing the thermal paste of this computer with 7 years old, leave in the comments below. But I think if you never open, buy this tool, buy a dust spray, and you'll be happy with the results that you get. Before you go, thank you very much to be there. Don't forget to smile. My name is Marco, this is MacBook, and if it's your first time, don't forget to subscribe, comment below, smash the thumbs up, do whatever you want, but I hope to see you in the next one.